I didn't foresee a future, which was kind of scary, and I'd kind of almost given up. How many people are you letting down if you fail? I'm not even sure if they really knew the situation, how dire it was. And then Lenny came by for a visit, started the conversation, which led to where we are now. The hub is an amazing tool. You can basically build processes for anything and make it visual. If we wanted to track something and keep score, felt like hours was the best way to do that. So we started tracking that daily, weekly, monthly. Our low point was 30. Figure out roughly what we need as a break even, which we figured was 45 a day. Well, we did it. It came easier than I thought. And it was just a simple realization of letting your team in, letting them know the score, because they all want to win. Currently, for the last 4 months, we're averaging 65 hours a day. But the potential that I realize now is we can double that, which is crazy. But I know we can do it. Don't be afraid to reach out, ask for help. It's not easy to do, but once you do, you'll see what happens.
Feels great. You know, doubled our hours. And I mean, there's always more stuff we can do to improve as well. That's our track, you know, always improving.
Book a call, let's get a demo. Give us a chance to show you what we've created and what we have to offer when it comes to coaching and proven shop level processes.